Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Summer grilling season is in full swing with the 4th of July approaching, and the folks at LifeSmart have one of the hottest new grills on the market. You saw that one coming. They've added a side griddle to a pellet smoker grill, that's the 760G, and there are larger models as well with 2 or 3 racks available for cooking or smoking. But with more and more pellet grills on the market, what are the company's advantages? CEO Mike Dolder.
The PID controller is probably the most accurate in the marketplace. So it promotes everything that you want to do when you're working a pellet grill. It'll hold the meat plus or minus 2 degrees. We also have a 30-pound hopper.
There's a reason why pellet grilling is becoming so popular. You can learn more about the lineup at LifeSmartProducts.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.